I am going to show you how you can make $100,000 a year in crypto without staking, holding or trading, but with crypto arbitrage. And this requires zero skills and zero background knowledge. And we are starting right now. So first, let's start with what is crypto arbitrage. Let's pick this token, for example. It exists on Ethereum blockchain. This is the price currently of this token. If you go right here and click on markets and search for the markets from where you can buy this token, we can find here multiple markets right here. But the thing here is that not all the markets have the same pricing. Let's pick this exchange, for example. The price here is 0.009 and on Coinbase it's 0.008. Basically, arbitrage or crypto arbitrage is that you are going to buy this token from Coinbase for 0.008 and go to Bittrex and sell it for 0.009, and the difference is your profit. So that's crypto arbitrage in general. I'm going to show you today how I personally made over $100,000 last year profits from crypto arbitrage with zero skills and zero knowledge. Basically, I use this website called Koinknight. Basically, when you create an account on this website and go to arbitrages and click on directs, you are going to get here different trades that you can do and they can make you profits. For example, here they are saying if you buy $5,000 worth of this token from Coinbase and go and flip it on HBTC, you are going to make $280,000 at this exact moment. Same here as well. Let's pick, for example, this token, another token, which is Pro. If you buy, for example, $5,000 worth of Pro from HBTC and you go and flip it on Coinbase, you are going to make $177 profit, which is great if you do only one trade a day. Here they give you the transfer time of the token. For example, here if you buy trip from Polynex and send it to Binance, it will take from you like 3 minutes, but it's not always accurate. It can be a little bit more or a little bit less, so you gotta keep trying to find the best trade for you. And they give you here a bunch of trades that you can make right now and they can make you money. And the thing here is that arbitrage or crypto arbitrage is one of the most profitable businesses you can do on crypto world, and they are really low risk. I mean, sometimes there is no risk at all. And here you can enter the amount that you are looking to invest. Let's say, for example, $10,000 and click on go. So here they are saying if you go and buy this token from KuCoin at this exact time and sell it on this exchange, you are going to make $400. And same here, if you buy it from Coinbase and sell it on this exchange, you are going to make $400. And same here for different tokens. This is the INV token. If you buy it from Coinbase and sell it on this exchange, you are going to make $300, and a bunch of other trades that you can make, and they are really profitable. But the most important thing is that you gotta be really fast and really fast action taker, because this keeps changing and keeps refreshing every minute. Also, they got here other trades or other arbitrage trade that you can do, like triangular arbitrage. They give you 3 trades that you can do and they are going to make you this amount of money. Let's see this example. If you buy $5,000 worth of this token on Coinbase and convert it on this exchange to INP and go and sell it on Binance, I mean send it from this exchange to Binance and sell it on Binance, you are going to make $300. And there is here a bunch of triangular trades that you can do, and they are really profitable. I mean, think about it. If you can make 2 or 3 trades a day, they are really low risk. I mean, you might start making like $1,500 a day, which is really great and dope. You cannot make this on crypto trading, or you can do it on crypto trading, but it's really high risk. And you cannot do this, of course, on staking unless you're staking a big amount of money. So as you can see here, if you are looking to invest $100,000, they give you this option, which is buying $100,000 worth of trip on Polynex and send it on Coinbase and convert it to this token, then send it from Coinbase to this exchange and sell it or flip it, and you are going to make $6,000, which is really great. Imagine making this every day with a really low risk. I mean, just missing money right here. I usually only use direct arbitrages and triangular arbitrages. I didn't really use to this time this type of arbitrage, but yeah, you can test them yourself. So basically, this arbitrage. There is other type of arbitrages. Basically, these Koinknights give you arbitrages that you can do on centralized exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, or Gates.io, and different other centralized exchanges. There is other arbitrages that you can do on decentralized exchanges. If you want me to talk about, just let me know in the comments. And if you don't have the capital or if you don't have money to do arbitrage, let me know down in the comments. I will make a video about how you can take 1,000 Ethereum as loan and go and do arbitrage with it. Then you can give the loan back and take the profit. Also, you gotta make sure that you calculate, especially if you are working with low budgets, make sure you calculate the fees. I mean, there is trading charges and transfer fees, especially if the token is in the Ethereum blockchain. So maybe you can try to find tokens that exist on the BSC blockchain or maybe Polygon blockchain as well. And there is a link down in description if you want to open an account with Koinknight. They are going to get 10% off on your subscription. So that's it for today's video. If you find my content valuable and helped you make money, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like, and let me know down in the comments if you are interested about more videos about strategies that I personally use to make money besides taking, holding and trading from crypto world, and I'm going to make it for you. And I will see you on the next video.